right now. Got some wonderful glue, which is going to hold down in the back corner a piece of wood. This is what I'm using in case you're curious. And yeah, it was left over, so I was given it for free, which was awesome. It's construction adhesive, and I'm gluing it down to the birch basswood that I ended up using. And then I have this lovely mallet to go in and hit the wood sideways. Let's get started. I'm not really sure what I'm doing, so this is gonna be interesting. Oh gosh, grip strength is to the test. Let's see if I can get this. Oh my gosh, I am not strong. Apparently, like, oh, got it, you see that? There's contact cement coming out of here really rapidly now. Uh-oh, a little bit too fast for me. I'm putting it on the back of this, and hopefully I don't mess this up too bad. Woohoo! Wonderful glue. I hope this is the right side. If I put this on the wrong side, this will not be good. Whew. Okay. Should I spread this out? Okay. It looks like it'll do a good bond, so I'm pretty stoked about that, but I don't know. We shall see. There you go. Nice little blob. I'm only putting on part because when you look down here, you'll see that it only goes partially along that baseboard because it's a floating laminate floor. So we'll do the best we can and we'll see how it turns out. Here we go, first piece. Hopefully I don't mess this up too bad. Okay, I mean it slides in, so you can't mess it up too bad. I hope. Okay, this part is pressed in. Hopefully I put the glue on the right side. I'm just gonna hold it down for a minute and hopefully that'll be good. So this is roughly the trace of the first panel. It's really rough, especially in this area here, because I had to estimate because a lot of the edges were eaten out. The inside part of the panel that I just traced, and it has the original VW insignia right there, which is pretty sweet. These panels were original, which shows why they're pretty beat up. Here's the second panel that I'm about to trace. Comparatively, it's the best of the three panels that I have. It's in pretty decent shape considering that it's from the 70s. Here's a little side by side. So I ended up using the better of the two panels to trace and then flipped it over and retraced the second one. And I think they came out pretty decent. They're still pretty rough. They're not exact, but they do have the details that are needed compared to the original.